Hey everyone, I have got the HP latest laptop. So let's unbox it and get started. So first of all, have a look on its specification. It is a HP Pavilion 15 notebook PC having the number 15E033DX. It is the 4th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 2.2 GHz. It has 15.6 HD display, 750 gigs of RAM, hard drive and 4 GB of RAM. It has VLAN and Bluetooth, DVD optical disc, Radeon graphics and free disk operating system. So let's get started and unbox it. First of all, we will gonna break the seal with the help of a cutter. You can use any blade or knife. HP is a very nice company in the field of laptops and other applications like mobile phones. Their laptops are nice. So we have opened it. So the first thing is our laptop. It has a nice covering, and the rest of the things in the box will be its accessories and other paperwork and warranty cards, etc. So this is our other material. We will remove the protection covers. This is the battery. This is the lithium battery, which is quite awesome and long lasting. This is the port for charging and other things. This is the paperwork, like material, manuals, guides, etc., numbers, whatever, and other paperworks, guides, how to do, how to start, and other troubleshooting problems. This is our charger, and this is the battery, wire and the charger. So let's open our laptop and let's see how is it. We remove the cover. So this is our first look on the laptop. It is black matte from its outside. First of all, we will put the battery. The battery will be put like this. This is powered by Windows 8. These are the battery remover buttons. Powered by Windows 8. It is the HP laptop. Let's see from the other side. Opening the laptop. Its interior is also kinda black, silver. It has soft butterfly pattern keys. This is the Wi-Fi and the sound button. Separate, you can see. This is the fingerprint sensor, and it is the sticker saying it is Core i7. This is the right click and the left click of the mouse. It is the Probook laptop. It is simply the Probook series. Here we get the HD cam recorder with a sensor and a microphone attached. So it has 6 gigs of RAM. It is quite awesome. And let's see the other details. It is the typical log optical disc, 2 USB ports and 2 audio jacks. Here we get the card reader port, and on the other side we get 2 USB ports, a HDMI port, an internet port, a VGA display output and a charging port. This is the air output for port here. Here we also have the This is the USB port. Sorry. This is the charging cable. Putting it into the port is quite easy. We also get a LED bulb with the charging cable. This Hewlett Packard. It is quite compact and decent. Quite awesome looks. Thumbs up for that. It is quite simple for daily use. Let's have a close look. These are the fingerprint sensor and the sticker Core i7. And a nice look on the keys. The keys are shining.